What's up guys, it's me Alan. So today I got this PS4 on sale. I did not open it yet. You see the box is so fresh. Come on, let's go open it. So on this side you will see the controller. It's in a polythene bag. Look at the controller, it's so fresh. On this side, you'll get the HDMI cable. That's the HDMI cable plug. And it's a USB cable. And the gaming headphones, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, so that's all came on this side. Now let's open the other side of the box. Whew. And the PS4 is on this side. And it's been covered with the boxes and foams. And I see a DVD inside. Guessing it's the Uncharted 4, The Thief's End. Let me see. And it comes with a free trial for online multiplayer. Yes, and the game is actually here. Came with this PS4. Now, anything else in the box? Yeah, I found something. I think it's a catalog, quick start guide. I think this is how to use the PS4. I'll open and check it out later. Let's see the PlayStation. Woo! Damn, so fresh. This is so fresh. Look at this. Woo! The power button, it's over here, right here. So I don't think you can see it on the camera because the system is fully black, including the buttons. So the power button is right here, and this is the CD eject button. The USB port, one is here, the second one is right here. Back has aux. Is it aux? It says, let me see. Yeah. It's the aux, and it's the HDMI cable. Let's have a closer look. If you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up and please do subscribe. Thank you.